So we don't know what go on. I don't know what go on 100% people. The only thing we get a call and the people them say them need me over here now because the TV station is not coming. You understand? And them call the radio and them call everybody and nobody now come. So the people them say, Emperor, we need to come cover the thing for make people see where go on. Yeah man, so what go on now people? So we need the MP to come cover the story. Because the MP now talk to the people them. Oh God, my God.
You say one thing to drink, then kill it down, make them know brawling.
No, that's how we come cover it for you, man. Because nobody now come cover it.
Oh, cover it, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, this is a part 2 video on Termite, and me never watch no video about his killing. Me look on a couple different titles and I gave my opinion because I said it never look right how them kill a youth the dog. But this morning I watch a blood clot video with L.A. Lewis when him go over in a Spanish town dog. And it made me more bomber ass glad pissed off about this. And me not defend no blood clot done. What me I defend is human rights and justice and constitutional rights. Like me tell bomber clot people, you see me is a blood clot nationalist. Me was dead for my blood clot country. You understand? And people think a blood clot joke me I make. Now after me see the video with L.A. Lewis, which me I go play some of that video there. Yo, even L.A. I say the same blood clot thing where me I say, remember now, today April 22nd. You understand? And me never watch no video on Termite, but remember I'm a bomber clot tell you. You see, them Jamaican blood clot police and the system dog, all the blood clot, yeah, yo, unis are set a bomber clot. Pussy wall, yo. Listen to this, yo. Before me play the video, and me I go play the video and come back in and out. You see, that brother yeah, Anthony McLaughlin, he need to step up and talk to the Jamaican people. Yo, you know see time change. Let me tell you now, me I go tell you now what you do now, and I think you actively know who is doing that to our country, you know. Me I go explain.
The damn dead last night now people are son. Big boss. Alright, so what cost the whole of this now? But then you know me have to come cover the store them. So what cost the whole of this now?
I want a so-called Termite like police kill last night. But I'm over the side about 2 days. I must see boy in the run car through Walcott so. But I run for the next side.
Oh, so them just...
If you can pass and go up on the next road, don't assault factory and turn.
Oh, so them just light the fire, yes, but around the so they done then?
Yeah, two yesterday, you know, just I main road, them around going like that, so.
Alright, so you are going now. So, how them say the killing go now?
But I tell you, to tell the truth, me there right as I yes, me never hear gunshot and man, I'm a virgin still, so me don't know, me don't know the violence and me don't go hear there's a police kill. And because I been last night, because I been last night and the old gunshot and snap me, there's people around telling them kill him.
Oh, that's about time.
Now, L.A. Lewis go down in the zone for see what I go on. And I want big up L.A. Lewis. I don't care what nobody want to talk about that you there. You understand? Now, like me I said, what L.A. I talk about are the same thing me I talk about. And you hear me ask a man what go on and the man say them killer done and you see them a block the road. So, I just telling you, you know, the first video I made, I didn't want to see nothing and hear nothing. I just go from the info with me know and I know say something was seriously wrong with that situation. Now later in the video, I tell you now, when me hear from a lady that was there and she tell me what happened.
That's about time.
That was about after 9. After 8, he could have dead about 9 o'clock. But after 8 to 9, then time of a gunshot.
So it look like a pay for killing then? Because you know, we know the thing already, no?
I don't know. I don't know. Listen, I don't know if I'm going to say he can right. That's right. Something right. I'm ready to matter me. But gunshot them out people and say termite.
That's about
after 8. Boy, after
them don't know termite, man. Termite is a good boy, man.
Hey, they don't see picture. You know termite.
You hear the first thing L.A. Lewis asks the man if I pay for thing or if I something else. And the man I say him no know. All him know him hear a bag of shot. And him know say termite is a good youth. And even L.A. say termite is a good youth. Me no know termite, you know. But from when me did hear on the ground is that him did a deal with the thing different and people did like him a do. Cause business did start come back a Spanish town.
So them kill the era leader named Termite people. You understand? Well, the Termite is a youth of me know people. Good youth me know man still. You understand? Just married the other day people. So I couldn't tell what really go on as yet people because you don't know, you know. Sometimes you have two sides to the story. Oh yeah, me know man. Yeah man. So you have to hear the villagers them story in the people because you will go on now. Ah my friend. Cause sometimes some pay for thing go on because I not say the corruption in the thing in the people. But sometimes some pay for thing in the thing. So yeah man. Ah bossy. Yeah man. Sometimes some pay for thing in the thing. Yeah man. Yeah man. Alright. Safe. Yeah man. Yeah man. Termite just married the other day and come for hear the true story now. How gonna give me it? Safe. Yeah man. Safe. Yeah, car. See if them not good in you, so they have to come cover it.
Now you hear what L.A. Lewis say, CVM, the Observer, the Jamaica Star, the Jamaica Gleaner. None of them newspaper, none of the media outlet was out in Spanish Town, you know, covering this, you know. You understand? So the people them, they kept on calling L.A. Lewis. That's why L.A. Lewis went out to get the news so him can put it out there, yo. Now, what does that tell you guys about Jamaica bomber clock system, dog? Yo, me remember with the dodo situation down in a garden, 70 people get killed. And when you listen the radio station in Jamaica at the time, they were playing love music and R&B. You wouldn't even know that we had a serious situation where the Jamaica Defense Force dropped a bomb on the people in Tivoli, dog. You understand? Them drop a bomb and they had an inquiry after the thing done or whatever, and the man explained the bomb like it was a stun grenade. Come on, that's what's going on in Jamaica, dog.
Somalians! We're going to pick this. Yeah, man, because you're going on, I'm not put the camera up on your face.
Yeah.
All the story going on, because termite, me know termite personal. You understand?
Yeah.
So, what go on now?
Style, man.
Yeah, man.
Style, cold-blooded murder of them, Tommy kerchief.
Yeah, top of that kerchief. What go on with Pitney? Yeah, man. Now what are you termite married?
I like my father.
That's glad. So people, so the people them say they want justice, people. So you understand? So the MP need to come and come talk to the people them. The MP that come here come talk to you now. So yeah man. See if them now come, so me have to come cover out the story. Sir, we're gonna pick there.
Now, someone can look for L.A. Lewis and talk this and talk that about a youth here. But when you see what him they do, him they down in a Spanish town, cause the people them call him, which mentioned this earlier, cause CVM and the other place them now come. So you see this right here, so what L.A. Lewis a do, this is very important to this community. You understand? Cause if LA didn't go down there, I wouldn't even know there's a riot. You probably hear it and see the clips and stuff, but you wouldn't even know to the extent of what this riot is. So listen, LA Lewis I do a good job. You also hear a man say them kill the man and the style. So much people wouldn't come out in the community if the youth had it in the bomber-clad community and the pure fuckery. Me I tell you that, you see that every day. And the other day, me just see a man in a blood-clad bag. And nobody in a blood-clad demonstrate. You understand?
Man, so what go on now, people? So we need the MP to come cover the story. Because the MP now talk to the people them. Oh God, my God.
You say one thing to drink, then kill it down, make them know brawling.
No, that's how we come cover it for the man. Because nobody come cover it.
Oh, cover it, man.
Yeah, man. So termite people. Yeah, son. So go the old people. But me don't know what go on people, cause so my thing people have to cover the story from all angles. You understand? So them say last night police killed termite people. So I come talk to the people them now. So me have to get to the police them now and find out for them side of the story. Where go on, my friend? Don't go, sir. Oh no, I'm not going to say, baby, cover the story. Yeah.
But now lie, the people them love LA or Jamaica though and thing, but me hear LA say a thing say a two side to the thing and him ever get the police them side. But LA don't know and me don't know and the people them don't know. Him now get the police side cause the police them now go tell them for them side. You understand?
Me is a man. Once the people them call me people, me have to go and go so I go on. You understand? And the virgin them dead when them kill people, I one of them era leader the people, but you know the era leader them want to give no trouble of such. Yeah, so that me know about him people. You understand? Me don't know if anything else, people have come show me and say, yo, you know so termite used to get trouble. You understand? And I was there, as I said, termite get married. You understand? So when a man get married in a people, that means him find love and trouble stop give it. And even if they get trouble, people have to cool along with trouble. Oh, my pitney! So I just come people forget to the story, so me I forget to the.
You heard what L.A. Lewis said. You need dons in some area. Just look at Iraq. Them kill Saddam Hussein and the people them turn into an intifada. More terrorists was created. The same thing are happening in a Spanish town. Right now, it are happening on all sides of Jamaica. Police them and law enforcement are go by the thing wrong. When you kill off the don them like this, especially like this, it only create more criminals. You understand? That is the wrong approach. Like me say, from me hear about that killing ya, me never like it. And me I try to figure out to this day how the fuck CTAC work. The Anti-Terrorist and Organized Crime Task Force. What is their directive? How do they approach crime in terms of warrants and going for somebody? When CETA comes for you, Do they need a warrant or you become instant a wanted man? I mean, do they have special powers? How come this happened? We haven't heard Anthony McLaughlin, the head of CTAC, say anything. We haven't heard anything from nobody, the councillor, nobody, dog. People are rioting at the fucking street. And there is nobody to come to the public people and say, listen, this is what's going on, we have to do this, we have nothing. Now, before I go, I talked to somebody and the person knew somebody that was there. And the lady said, the youth name Termite. I'm sorry. Termite, I was looking at something in a different direction. That's why I kinda take a little bit of time. Sorry. Get distracted. Termite came from his honeymoon and stopped at his family yard. So apparently his wife must be around still in the island. And he chilled there for a little bit. Then him get up and him decides him a go Lego. Come out of the yard, might be a lane or somewhere, and drive out, him see straight police and soldier. The soldier and police them drive him off of the road in the banking. Him get up out of him car, I want to listen to what me I say and picture it in my mind. Him stop him car, jump out of him car, with him hands up, with him foot wide open for them search him, in a position for them search him. The soldier and police run with the people them, and then after that them hear peer shot. That's why the people them are blood clot demonstrate in a St. Catherine. Where is the news media? Where's all these people who's putting the checks and balance on these government police, them killers? There is no checks and balance in fucking Jamaica, yo.
So we don't know what go on. I don't know what go on 100% people. They only think me get a call and the people them say them need me over here now because the TV station is not coming. You understand? And them call the radio and them call everybody and nobody now come. So the people them say, Emperor, we need to come cover the thing for make people see where go on. So me now go jump to conclusion. I go and me hear the people them side. And you cannot kill people in cold blood if that go on. Because everyone is innocent until proven guilty. And me now go 100% swear from a police force people, not all of them. Because sometimes you have a look at thing what go on when a man get a money from another man for go do a job under the name of police force people. You don't know them style that you know, because I want thing with me a fear man. So like I said, defend my police them people. One time them get disrespect. But sometimes if you have a look at one police or two police that the thing people welcome corrupt the thing, it now go work. So this now go under the carpet people. You don't know that already. You don't know so the Maroon investigation police full investigation squad. They upon the investigation now. Because people, the youth are dead people. You understand? Termite people are good youth people underneath our site. We don't know him as no wicked man of such people. You understand? So I just say the people. And for you see how the whole village come out people, you must know say come let me tell you about Spanish own people. You see if you're a bad man people, you go out one bag of foolishness in the community. Whether different bad man killer, different police killer, or if a police killer, nobody now come out people. But just when you see a man dead people, and you see the whole village come out on the black road, all of the youth, them youth one all bad man, youth one Christian, you see woman come out on the black road people, you know say something goes up, something go wrong, people. Something in that killing go wrong. I don't know what it is, people, but that killing here, something went it wrong. As the people them said, could be a hitman killing and then use police and do it. Yes, man, because enough of them things they go on now. I remember say most of the corrupt politicians them, you know, a police them use and kill people, you know. And then them kill back the police them after. Yes, and then when them use bad man now people and kill other bad man or kill other people, them said go kill back the bad man the after. So I don't know when our people go learn, you know. Say make we mediate, don't litigate. So people we can work things out, people. I don't know. We're dying for say, we're living for say the killing and the blood spilling stop people from all angles, people. We can work it out, people. You have a thing called Dispute Resolution Foundation, mediation, people. Yeah, but we can work it out, people. But I don't know why, people. So, in my side, people, Termite is a youth. What men know good people. You understand? Before, they're going to rather them time, people. You understand? We know Termite long time, people, from here come a Spanish show. You understand? Before them even say Madan, or you're a leader. You understand? Is a youth check for the people, I mean the village people. And I know troublesome man like Andrew Wallace people. With it, but you see when time the MP them people and the councillors them take a long to get to the people them. Something like this go on, people. As a MP or as an era leader or as a prime minister of the country or the opposition leader, you have to get to your people them and try to you understand? Heal your people them. You understand? So when the people them say them not get no justice, and them tell the people take to the street and go block off road. So people only enough in a block off the road. Get to the era councillor, get to the MP. So if I foolish spiritual people, they can't tell me no. Because when you have a upholding person dead in the community, an era leader, because people, as much as you check it, every part in the country need an era leader. Every village needs an era leader. An era leader who is the man who get to the people, or the woman who get to the people. Because you can have all female era leader to people. Them style them as done. Should them know how to put them on payroll. You understand?
Now, I'm going to wrap up the video. But what LA try to say, when you have the Dan them in the neighborhood them function better if the Dan is a good Dan when not start no whole heap of trouble. You understand? Now, you hear what LA say, cause in a St. Kitts, what them do, you know, them put the bad man them on welfare. Put them on welfare, make them turn in them gun, and the thing a work. LA say it in a different way. Them now want to put the Dan them on payroll, which by fact, a Dan is a community leader, and if them did have some kind of welfare thing a go on within the community structure, things would have better off for Jamaica. And that's what L.A. Lewis is trying to say. He's just saying it in a different way. Because he even went on to talk about Dudus. And when Dudus was running garden, it was running good. After that, it get rated T. But you also notice that the police never went to kill Dudus. Like how them dust out the youth, yeah. It's actually the US government pressure Jamaica government to turn him in. Because it would have been our country right now, if we didn't do that, it would have been like Haiti. Because Dudus was on a special warlord status by the US State Department. Don't ask me how them do it, but he was. So, yeah, really disgusted by this, really bumbuckled saddened. Me still I try to figure out what is CTAC, who is CTAC, what is CTAC, okay, who is CTAC, yo, what are the laws governing CTAC? All of these questions I would like to know. Who give the order to kill this young man? How do they gather their evidence? Like, there's a million and one question. So, when L.A. Lewis got the call to go on video, because they said that CVM nobody is coming, when L.A. Lewis saw what was going on, do you hear the reaction? And L.A. Lewis is there in Jamaica on the spot. Did you hear his reaction? He sounds just the way like how I sound, the bumbucklot. And I didn't even know he was doing this. So that goes to show you that this killing, them kill the man brawling, and people is saddened and disgusted by it. What are the rules governing CTAC? A lot of people leave comments saying, oh, him kill people and this and that. It doesn't matter. Everybody is innocent until proven guilty. And if you can't have the police them or do that, that means CTAC is a death squad. So CTAC has transformed into Jamaica police death squad. That's really what I'm getting. Because they did the same thing to quite a few people, and when they kill Termite, CTAC went ahead and killed a couple more people in a year. Now, has CTAC become the new Jamaican police death squad? Because after, like me said, listening to this L.A. Lewis video, because you know, I saw L.A. Lewis video this morning and I listened to a little bit of it, and then I said I'm going to make a video of it. So what I do, I listen to the video as I'm making my video. So all the reaction you hear me do in this video is a first time reaction. It's nothing planned where I sat down and watched L.A. Lewis video how many times now. I usually watch the video along with y'all and make my comments and recommendation or whatever the hell it is, statements. So this is very, very, very disturbing. And me hear LA say my follow it up, but me know nothing now come out of this. We have a rogue police death squad in Jamaica right now. And now I'm gonna be paying attention to the police killing them, and you know, 100 man, they were already underneath my scope. Here comes CTAC, and it looked like CTAC, them are the real police death squad, dog. and 100 man is friars compared to CTAC. Because I guess them say CTAC work with intelligence, and that's another thing we may try to figure out, like, this man is coming in from the grill, from honeymoon, and that's the thing with this youth here, dog. The man doing wedding, and everybody know about him blood clot wedding. Him should have be a little bit more private. It look like Termite chat too much. You understand? Me hear Sir Pierre say, I'm girl did have to ball him on and make him sign the thing because he can't read and write. And when the people them say, congratulations, him tell the people them, you're welcome. Like him answer the thing backwards, so, you know, but put fun and joke aside. You understand? Yeah, so I guess the title of this video, me have to put in Jamaican legal police death squad, you know, this, because I didn't even realize, and I didn't even look at the CTAC like a police death squad. But a man was telling me that them coming at the mask, so them hide them face, and like we say, it's really crazy because you have so many different parts in the police, like you have CTAC, you have this, you have that, and I heard that CTAC was getting their own law. And I was trying to explain I was trying to get somebody to explain it to me, and they were just as lost as I was. You know, them say CTAC, this, CTAC, no. CTAC is a legal police bomberclad hit squad in Jamaica, and if your name ever make it on fucking CTAC list, it is a big problem. Listen, dog, I'm gonna name your supper. Now, before I go, there is a piece of video of a man named Michael St. John in Trinidad. He did a press conference on Saturday, I think, and it's floating around, Michael St. John press conference, and his press conference, it was about the police putting out information about him, okay, tainting his name, and make people look into him, branding him like, oh, the police do this guy right here, Termite. You understand? So the man took a press conference with his lawyers, the two biggest lawyers in Trinidad, telling the motherfucking police them get his name out of the database and get his name from out of their investigation or whatever the fuck they're doing, because he's not underneath an investigation. So get my motherfucking name from out of your database and out of your system. And I think this is what happened to Termite them, dog, and other youth them. Them name get called up, nothing is proven, but them name still in the police system, database, and it take the man them, and all sort of shit start happening to people, whether good or bad. There is no fucking way police can kill Termite and that in that way, and there is nothing wrong with it. The man was not wanted man. He was just coming from his honeymoon. Brings me to a point that I was forgetting. I talked about it, but it slipped my mind again, sorry. Now, he went on his honeymoon and coming back, stop at his family yard, come out of the place and then police. How did the police and soldier them know that he was going to be at that spot? It is no coincidence. Once something like this happen, you have to check the people them close to you. So, I leave that as a train of thought in people's mind. You understand? There was no reward on this man's head. He was not wanted. His name was called up in a lot of shit, which I'm telling all these gangsters out there. Police call up your name, get your lawyer, and get them to take your name off that shit. One man must do that at Jamaica, and that was King Don. He sued, I think the Siaga or somebody he sued. You understand? But he sued the government for that. Only cannot leave people name in a them bumbleclad database when somebody is not found guilty of anything. And at that reach, termite. Listen, I'm pissed off about this. I'm still gonna follow it up. You understand? My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Peace, and I'm out.